Every once in a while you come across something that is absolutely game-changing. Now, I get introduced to new technology all the time, and every once in a while something comes up that just blows me away. I've got a new platform I've been using for just a month, and it's so slick that during one of my live streams, I was able to put on a trade that produced a return so large that my account is currently up 39% in 1 month. Now, one of the reasons I'm so excited about Moomoo Financial is because of their product and the way that they function. They actually flew me down to New York to check out their stuff in person with a whole bunch of other YouTubers. It was a wild, exciting weekend. We got to hands-on use the product, go tour the NASDAQ. It was absolutely amazing. But the reality was what they were looking for was they were asking for feedback. So I got to stand there and say, well, what about this? And what about that? And that's one of the innovative things about this company that I absolutely love. They've taken these complex trading strategies that I teach people and I deploy myself in my regular trading account, and they've actually made it so that I can just click on the strategy, pick whether or not I'm bullish, bearish, and it comes up with highly probabilistic outcomes and trades that are very clear and easy to understand, even for beginners. And I absolutely love this.
All right, I'm back in the office. It's October 3rd. It's a Friday. It is about an hour and 15 minutes before the close. And I'm going to show you 3 things today. I'm going to show you one of the short puts that I have on that is very, very close to being assigned today. It's expiring in an hour and a bit. And I'm going to roll that out in time. I'm going to show you how I do that in the Moomoo app. Then I'm going to show you how I find a new cash secured put to replace some of the other trades that I have on. And lastly, I'm going to show you another short put trade that I'm going to find using the Moomoo app, the mobile app. And then I'm going to convert that into a bull put credit spread. And I'm going to put that on for next week, all in the Moomoo app. Let's get into it. If we take a look in my RORK, you can see one of the cash secured puts that I have on is expiring today. BITF is my trade reference number, and the stock is trading right now at $3.01. So it's very likely that this could, after hours, get assigned. I don't really care about that. What I want is a position that makes money over time. So let's pop open the Moomoo app. I'm going to quickly just show you the assets here, having an absolutely fantastic return. If we look at the year, started trading this account in August. The last 2 weeks of August made 5%, September 24%, and October 11.5% so far. And it's only October 3rd. So it's been an absolutely wild ride. Let's get into the securities. I'm going to show you that I have this position on BITF. It expires today. It's the 3 put. I'm short one of those. The current price is 3 cents. I collected 51 cents for this. So it's an absolutely fantastic trade. And so far the unrealized P&L is 94%. So I made almost all my money, but I just want to roll out to next week. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to click on the trade button. It automatically loads in this pop-up window. I'm going to click on add and I'm going to say sell a put because I'm closing. So I'm buying a put right now. This new one that I've added, I'm going to change that to October 10th and I'm going to select the same strike. So we can see what I'm doing here. I am purchasing the October 3rd put. I'm buying it and I'm going to pay a debit for that. And then I am selling the October 10th 3 put, selling that one. I do this for a net credit. So I'm actually going to get a credit of $20 US into my account. I'm going to hit submit and we can just confirm exactly what's going on. Margin account, I'm buying one, selling one, time and forces day. I'm going to get this filled right away. So $20 credit. I'm going to click on confirm and it says it's submitted. We'll see if it fills. I may be being a little bit aggressive on that price. Now we're going to take a look at the Moomoo app. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the options tab over here and then make sure I'm on stock. And I'm going to go down to the seller dashboard. You can see there's a couple cash secured puts showing up here. We've got ASTS, the 250 put showing a return on capital of 17%, and that expires next week. We have a covered call on APLD. These are kind of cool things. So I'm going to click on the seller's dashboard. I'm going to make sure I'm on the cash secured put. The very first one, these are all organized by annualized return on capital. The very top one is the AST 250 put and collecting $37.50 for selling that basically at the money put. It's a 51% probability of profit. What I like to look for is the ones that actually have a little bit higher probability. They're slightly out of the money. So what about this APLD? We're going to take a look at that. It's $24. Selling a cash secured put is pretty simple. This is 7 days to expiration, and there's two outcomes. It's either the stock is below. If it's below, then I'm going to buy the stock and I'm going to be able to purchase that stock with my cash. I don't have enough cash in this account, so this one I'm going to have to turn into a spread if I decide to go with it. If the stock is above the strike, in this case 24.50, then it just expires worthless. So that's how a cash secured put works. It's very, very simple. Current price is $25.91. So the stock would have to actually drop $1.40 per share, which is considerable distance from where this cash secured put is. So what I'm going to do is use that information. I've got the APLD. I'm going to look on the Moomoo app. Let me use the search button up here and I'm going to APLD. I'm going to put this in Applied Digital. One of the things I want to look at is the valuation. Where do people think it's going to go? It's quite high actually right now. The stock was trading down here. May not be the best time to be getting into this. I might pass on that. Maybe I won't. It's down 2.6% today, 25. Let's go to the options chain and just see what we can do. Look at this beautiful trade I was working on. This has got 100% probability profit. When you're getting into fancy trading, you can build some wild things. So this trade was set up for this week, and we're going to clear that off and take a look at a new trade. So I'm going to go to the table. I'm going to click on October 10th. There's earnings coming out. Okay, so this is why this is going to be a little earnings play too. I don't think that 24.50 put is the right thing. What I might do is look for selling where there's a bunch of contracts here, selling the 242 and then purchasing a little bit below and saying, what if I build a spread here? What does this look like? Well, if I look at the probability of profit, I've got an 81% probability of profit. Max profit is $22. Max loss is 178. So this is a 10% return on capital. Now, the nice thing about Moomoo is you can just drag these around. We can be a little more aggressive and we can see if we can get a slightly better return on capital, lowering our probability of profit. Now, the current expected move is an easy calculation, actually. All we have to do is look at the money of next week, and we can see that if the price 263 and 233, we know exactly where that expected move is. It's around $5 because we add those two numbers together. If we take a look at the strategy builder, if we wanted to take like a neutral strategy on here, we could put that in here. We could put in $5 expected move. And then it would show us what strategies might work. If we wanted to do like a short strangle, for example, we would sell the 1950 put and we would sell the 32 call, and that would be slightly outside of the expected move. Now we could also set this up as a butterfly if we wanted to do something like that. I don't really want to do any earnings trades in this account, so I'm going to pass on this trade altogether and I'm going to take a look at something else. So let's go back to the app and take a look at something else that might come up. SOC, this is a nice one. Let's look at SOC. So this is a similar sort of thing. It's out of the money by 1.5%. So it has a 49% probability of profit. The current price is $19.30. This would be selling the 19 put, and I would be agreeing to buy the shares for $19, or it would expire worthless if the stock was above $19. It's a very simple setup, cash secured puts. So let's take a look at SOC and see if that's a better trade. So we're going to look at Sable Offshore. I've got a whole bunch of different indicators on here, probably too many. Let's turn off some of those, but you can see where we are. We're down at the bottom of the Bollingers. And this is where I like to see stocks when I want to sell something, when we have those kind of indicators on, and Moomoo has a whole bunch of them, so we can choose what we like. But the stock is definitely trading down at the bottom of its range, and that's where I like to buy stocks. So let's take a look and see if the options chain makes sense. I'm looking for trades for October 10th, so I'm going to look at the strategy builder for October 10th, and I'm going to take a look. Now, if I was just neutral on this, some of the things that may come up are going to be these condors, butterflies. It's nice to take a look at these and say, where are the short puts in here? The 17.5 put, we might just look at that because the short strangle is pulling that up as a potential. So let's go to the options chain. Let's collapse this down, take a look at October 10th and see what we can find. I'm going to clear off any previous orders that I had in here. What I'm looking for is a high return on capital. If I was to buy these stocks, am I making a decent return? Well, let's look at the profit curve on this. The stock is trading right now at $19.28. This short put is down here at $17. For this, I am going to be collecting $65. I'm going to be putting up a collateral of $1,635 total. And the break even on this is $16.35. We can see that right here. So the stock would have to drop almost $3 from its current level to get to that. I think this is a type of trade that I want to put on. And on the table view here, I didn't see any earnings coming up, so I like that quite a bit. Now, one thing I do want to do is I want to keep my margin in check. So I'm also going to buy a lower cost put for next week, and I'm just going to purchase that. How much is this going to cost me? We'll see. It's not showing a price here. There's very little volume on SOC, so it's kind of hard to make these spreads. And let's see if we can buy that one. I'm going to delete this one for a second. So I am buying the 15, selling the 17. And you can see now that the max profit is showing at $25. That's what Moomoo expects me to collect for a credit. Probability of profit 71%. Max loss is 175. So from a return on capital standpoint, this is absolutely massive. I want to get a really good price for this. I don't want to get $32. I'm going to adjust the price here. I'm going to put in $45. And then I'm going to hit submit, and I'm going to say confirm. And the order has been submitted. Now we'll take a look at my orders, and I do want to find one more cash secured put. Let me just take a look at one more thing. We're going to just scroll down here. What about RCAT? Let's take a look at RCAT. I haven't looked at that one before. Red Cat Holdings. Stock is definitely up a ton, 1270. I'm going to look at the valuation. We've got analysts looking at it between $9 and $17, currently trading at 1271. I might take a bet on this one. We'll see what happens with the options. I'm going to look at the chain. We've got no earnings indicated coming up. On my mobile app is showing the 1250 put. And what I might do is look at selling just slightly under that, selling the 12 put. Now, the reason I do that is because I can still make a really good return on capital. This is a $50 credit to open this. And what that does is it gives me higher probability of profit. If we look at the curve on this trade, the stock would have to drop from its current price of $12.71 all the way down to $12 before I'm even outside of the max profit range. So this is a very, very likely situation. If we look at the chart, I can put a line on here quite easily. I can draw a horizontal line, and I'm going to put that at $12. That's going to be my max profit zone. So I make the maximum return. If it goes below that, I'm going to defend the put, but there will be even more premium in it, and I don't mind doing that. This is a very, very small trade for my account because it's only $1,200, and I have the ability to roll that out in time. I've looked at the valuation, and I can play this in two ways. I could play it with a stop loss if it went down too much, or I would just roll that put out in time, and we get this high reward because we're taking a higher risk, and that's okay. That's what I want to do in this account. Selling that 12 put October 10th, and the mid price is $50. I'm going to click submit and see if I can get filled on this. Got my order confirmation there. I'm going to click confirm. And now let's go take a look at some of these orders that we have open, and we'll see if we can get some of them filled. So I've got a couple of orders working, and these 50 cents that I just put in, I've got this SOC vertical. I was trying to get 45 cents. Let me try to edit that. I'm going to right click and go edit, and I'm just going to be aggressive with these prices. I'm going to dump this down to 40 cents, and I'm going to hit submit and confirm. That's going to give me a potential 40-cent credit, which I just got filled for. So I got $40 deposited to my account. As long as the stock stays above $17 over the next 10 days, both of these are going to expire worthless, and I will have made a $40 return on $160 of risk. Now let's look at this calendar spread. I'm trying to roll this out in time. This is the one put that may expire in the money today. So I'm just going to right click and edit, and I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this to 0.18, so $18. I'm going to hit submit and confirm. We'll see if I can get filled on that, and that one filled. Now I'm going to have to record this in my rolling options record keeper. Super simple. I'm going to put in today's date. I'm going to put the price that the stock is trading at. It's currently trading at 301, and we can see that right here. It's pulling that 15-minute delayed data. It comes up in my spreadsheet. This is a cash secured put, and we're rolling this out to October 10th, filling in all the white cells. So I'm rolling out, and I got a credit today of 18 cents. Now I also paid a commission for this. So I'm going to put this in, and the commission is 2 times negative 0.65. And I'm gonna just close that bracket and hit enter. You'll see that I have a $1.30 debit in here from the 18 cents. So far from this trade, it's been quite the win. You know, stock is trading in a nice tight range. I can zoom in on this chart a little bit just to make that work a little bit better. But you can see when I started this trade, I collected $19, then I collected another credit of $9 last week, and then this week I collected $18. This is how I like to function. I like to put these trades on and just find a good stock, good position, and then just roll, because it makes my life way easier than trying to find new ones all the time. Okay, then we've got this SOC vertical and we have the RCAT. So let me adjust this RCAT for just to edit this price. I'm going to edit this down to 45 cents. See if I can get filled there. Confirm. And we'll see, there we go, filled at 45 cents. So now I'm gonna have to create a new tab for both of those. Pretty simple in my sheet. I'm just gonna scroll over here. I'm gonna find the trade tab, the rolling trade blank. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna say duplicate. And then I'm going to rename this. This is gonna be RCAT October 3rd. I'm gonna just put a note that this is in my Moomoo account. So I'm labeling it MM. Transaction date is today's date. RCAT is trading at 1272 when I put this trade on. And this is a cash secured put. The options expiration is October 10th. And again, just filling out the white cells. And I collected a credit of 0.45 and I recorded a commission of 65 cents. And that's as simple as it is. I've got my chart here. I can see that my max loss is going to be $1,155. I can kind of lock that in. I like to do that in my sheets. And then I can zoom in to a tighter range to watch the stock movement there. And it'll update my sheet real time while it does that. We're going to do one more. We're just going to right click on this. We're going to say duplicate, and we're going to do that other trade that we put on, and that is going to be the SOC vertical spread. So that's a bull put credit spread. Rename this SOC October 3rd. I always like to give all my trades a reference number. So that's going to be October 3rd MM. Transaction date is today. As soon as I've put in that data, it's already trying to find the price. The underlying price of SOC when we put this on, if we take a look at SOC right now, it's 1920 is its current price. So I'm going to record that, and we can see my spreadsheet's also pulling up 15-minute delayed data. And I'm going to put this in as a put spread. So I just choose put spread, and we can put this in as a positive or negative. This one's going to be October 10th, and the long put is at 15, and the short put's at 17. And I collected, what did we collect on here? SOC, we collected 40 cents, and we paid 2 times 65 cents for commission. So I collected $40. It's going to calculate out that I collected a credit of $40, and then my fees are going to be minus 2 times 0.65. And it should say $1.30. And then we have my net premium collected inclusive of fees of $38.70. And I have a total margin at risk of $160. And we can see that on the chart here. Now all we have to do is sit back and wait and see what happens. If the stock goes up, I make a really awesome return on capital, 24% return on capital over the course of a week, which would be amazing if I could get that much money out of this trade. Easy to defend because I can roll the short put and I roll it out as a spread. I can widen the spread. There's all sorts of different adjustments. Now, if you're interested in learning all those adjustments and how I constantly take these trades from potential losers to winners, that's why you need to be in the Drawbridge Finance Traders Club. So if you haven't joined, click on the link down below, check out my website, and join today.
Now, I hope I was able to demonstrate exactly how cool Moomoo Financial's platform really is. Now, if you love my video, give me a like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And if you're thinking about signing up for Moomoo, I've got a link down below that ensures that you get the best possible perks. They set that up for me so that I get rewarded and you get rewarded because we're working together. That's the goal of my channel. Let's get rich together. Thanks so much.